why don't you move around and see if there's a sweet spot?
Yeah.
If that's the case, then it might be worth moving. If not, then
Very
it's
good
easy.
idea, guys. Chorus.
Wait. I was wondering what would break first, your spirit
Or your body.
No. Right. Hold on in here. Back
This is Steve Recaro standing near his monitors there, to the back of the stage.
Okay, same spot.
Let's keep repeating, guys.
Or we could put you on a big riser.
That means Jenny and Vudo come over here.
Back on that side.
difference from here to here. We'll be okay.
Okay.
I just don't want you to be in a bummer tent, man.
Too late.
You're still a stranger.
You got time if you want to, get it right.
Yeah, then we promise we'll hang with you guys. You're getting a longer VIP. How's that? Is that better? Feel better?
Turn out tonight one of the people. What?
Steve Recaro, I think we have a solution. On Stranger Town, we have a sequence bass, so Lee doesn't even play bass on this. So that should solve the problem.
Okay, the shark thing is not bad.
Sounds perfect.